Good morning and welcome to today's class. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Once again, my name is Cherie Stewart and I am posting as the character and form Jennifer Lopez. However, it is my physical form as Cherie Stewart that is doing the actual work and the actual talking in format of Jennifer Lopez. With that being said, thank you all so much for tuning in to Let's Break Bread with Jennifer Lopez, where I do everything that is attached to the biblical scriptures and teachings as to what is happening in regards to the studies that we did formally in the book of Job. And this is beginning the study in the book of Job, chapter 5, of which I have completed. And one of the task that was done is creating a web page design. Now that we have the technology in order to get products sold faster, get products shipped faster, purchase and pay for things faster, such as internet and web page, the next thing we need to do is to create a web page that will attract people to our business, that we have created in our home space, in which we work in and in which we live in. Okay, so that is what we are going to be discussing today, is attracting business through that of web design and how to send people to, well, if you post on YouTube or Vimeo, how to send people to those videos in order to see the physical version of what you share in paper formats. Okay, so how to begin a web page design. First, it is to attract more buyers to purchase more product that I sell through YouTube. So, kind of like this book right here. This book right here, this is the Studio Tab notebook. Studio Tab notebook where you write down point blank notes. Now, this is a type of book right here where you write down point blank notes, not full sentence notes. You are getting the information in really, really quickly. You write it down in point blank form, which is a short form of a full sentence, meaning that when you write down the short form of that full sentence, it gets to the point and the matter really, really quickly and really, really easily, which is this notebook and what this notebook is used for, which, as have been explained to me, is why these tabs are on the outside of these books, is to let the purchaser of this book and this type of book know that it is a quick formatting sentence book. It is not a full functioning sentence writing book. So that is what this book is to be used for, and that's what it has and was made to do. Okay, so that's the message that you're trying to send across with the product, is exactly what it's supposed to be used for when the purchaser purchases the actual product, in order to use it so they know how to use it and how to function with it faster, so that they have gotten every coin that they have spent worth it on this book. So I want my web page to match my YouTube channel. Okay? So let's take, for example, my other YouTube channel where I mostly post makeup videos and I teach about makeup and how makeup application is important and how it affects us if we do not apply the right skin product to the right makeup product. And that is the Rihanna Fenty Recordings beauty page. Over here I show you how I become the character of Jennifer Lopez after teaching and sharing how to apply the products on that channel. Over here, as Jennifer Lopez, is how I show you how I apply the product after the completion of 6 days off has taken place. I show you how to apply the product, how to become different portions and chapters of Jennifer Lopez in order to say it's still her, but is it still her? You'll find out from the Rihanna Fenty page if it's still me. The web design page must match the web page of the YouTube URL. So if you are posting as Jennifer Lopez, you must match, yes, you must put your photo up to say that it is you as Cherie Stewart. However, you must also place a photo up that says it's designed to speak towards anything and everything Jennifer Lopez geared, or the topics that has been spoken of geared to the character of that of Jennifer Lopez. Why is that? You want the video to connect to the URL that is on the web page, as it leads customers to the correct page and it leads them there much faster, which would guarantee that the product is naturally and factually sold out and the funding goes to the actual person, which would be that of my pocket, which is Cherie Stewart. So therefore, when I have someone design the web page, I can take that money and in turn pay the web page designer for being able to stay on top of the task of keeping the web page together and having all the products ready and being ready to work with me, therefore, so that when I'm ready to produce, my web page designer is ready to produce and the products are therefore ready to be sold to customers who ask and request for the products, so that they can have either something similar or something close to that of the actual product itself. When you do start the web page, the URL will be different until approved by the FDA as a reputable site for product design, meaning that yes, you must have a functioning process for the FDA to check to make sure that you are the person that the funding is going to, and the FDA will then check all of your online accounts to make sure that your URL is connected to absolutely everything that you do. So for example, Shanika Edwards cannot come and claim to be me because the FDA already has all of my connections that connect literally to my YouTube video as Jennifer Lopez. So nobody on the planet, even if I give you my phone number to connect and start YouTube, the URL page will design and say that I am me. Even if Shanika Edwards is using my phone number, Shanika Edwards can't have the same URL page. So the URL page does matter, and it is just a separate form with the phone number, and the phone number is just basically there for the FDA to contact to say, did you give Shanika Edwards permission to use your phone number? That's basically what that is there for. Did you give Shanika Edwards permission to use your phone number to post on YouTube? Because she's posting videos of designs that you've shown and you haven't shown those designs yet. Actually, yeah, I did give Shanika Edwards permission to post on YouTube because I'm sanctioned with different time processing to show the products. Um, and I just want to see what Shanika Edwards would say in regards to working for me, whether she appreciates the fact that I gave her a job or not. And you'll see in another video that the answer is no. Alright, now how to bring in customers with a different URL page. Selling point. What is your selling point? YouTube, Vimeo. What are you selling through YouTube and Vimeo? The Tab Notebook. I want YouTube users to have a certain type of tab notebook. I want Vimeo users to have a certain type of tab notebook, but I want them to know exactly how to use that type of tab notebook, because my tab notebook that I have right here is made comfortable for me because I know how to use it. I know how to use my tab notebook. Now, have I created tab notebooks for Vimeo users and YouTube uploaders? Yes, but someone from Vimeo or YouTube needs to share with other people that use Vimeo or YouTube how to use the tab notebook created for them so that they can get expansion and more business to attract people to their business, which means that yes, I can hire someone to teach how to use Vimeo tab notebooks as well as YouTube tab notebooks, which means that they can do the same thing that I do as long as they are on the right page and they stay on the right track in order to teach truthfully how to use the actual form of the actual tab notebook, which is not this one for them. This is this one for me. This is this one for me. The one they have is for them. So the one they're teaching about is completely different to this one that I use for me, because this one is my mind friendly. This one is my understanding friendly. This one is it understands friendly. This one is it understands friendly how to use this. Okay, so that's pretty much, that is how you start a URL page and how to attract customers to the URL page using YouTube videos or Vimeo videos. Now, when you say click the link to see the products through Amazon, that's another form of URL that is now connected to the web page design, because when you go through to Amazon, it means that there is more available products through Amazon itself. So when you say click the link to the products through Amazon, that's what you create with the web page after you have shown the physical products in the video to begin that process of purchasing. Okay? So to click the link to my web page to find out more specific items mentioned about today's featured products is what's going to be linked to the Amazon web page, because that is what was shown in today's video, and that's what people are gonna wanna purchase, something that is similar to, that they understand and know how to use, or that is in likeness of but not the exact form of. So in the description box of your video, I don't have to do that anymore. I have someone who does that, and that description box goes directly through to Amazon, which describes the products. So thank you to my video editor. So in the description box, you should should you copy and paste? No, But unless there is a link that describes the actual product that you have sold and you have permission now from the studio brand to copy and paste, then you go ahead and copy and paste. But I don't copy and paste. That's my editor that copies and pastes and links all of that to my Amazon storefront, which connects you to being able to order the books when you do order the books. If you do order the books. And if you do, thank you very much for ordering the books. So when the video is released to the public, the post must match the date the video has been released. So that is the very first portion of creating a web page design. We will continue this course tomorrow. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information like this, and I will see you all in tomorrow's continuation as to how to make your URL page work for you. With that being said, I will see you all in that video. Bye bye.